How to customize the menu in your Horizon theme from Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. So first, let's just go and adjust the content in the menu. So what you actually want to have when it comes to pages, products, collections in the menu. So in order to do this, you just want to log into your Shopify admin and click on content, then click on menus. Next step, you're just going to select the main menu. Now you can even feel free to create a new menu and then just set it to be the main one. But in my case, I'm just going to use the old one, which is this one. So click on it or create a new one. It's up to you. And basically, you're just going to start adding menu items. And whatever you add in here is going to be basically just automatically added to your navigation menu. So if you just add another item here, for example, product number 1, like so, we can click on the link option and we're going to find plenty of options here to choose from, like homepage, collections, specific products, specific pages, blogs, and so on. So I'm just going to select product, and let's just use this one as an example and click on the tick icon. This means we have just added this item to our menu. Now we can also feel free to add subcategories, or drop down menu. In order to do so, it's again very simple. Click on add menu item, give it a name, and again just link it to another thing here. So I'm just going to link it to this one. And in order to make a drop down menu, all you need to do is just drag and drop the item underneath the other one. So let's say we just want them to be underneath the catalog. We can just simply do that and do the same thing for this one. So just make sure it's underneath the catalog and click on the tick and click on save. Now this is going to take place and basically change for your menu. So we can just now go to online store and click on edit theme. Now I need to note that if you did actually end up creating a new one, you will need to replace it with the new one instead of just having it to take place right away. So it may take a few refresh tries for it to take place. Okay, so in my case, this is the new menu. As you can see, we have a drop down or a mega menu here, as you can see. So if things didn't change for you, that means you have created a new one. So all we need to do to replace it to the new one is click on the arrow next to the header and select menu. This is going to give us the option to click on the first option here, which is menu, and click on replace. And you're going to find other menus to choose from. Obviously, you're also going to be able to find the new one that you have created. Now, another thing that we can do from this menu here, which is this right here, we can feel free to change the color scheme, which is not really going to do much here, but we can just feel free to change the top level size, submenu size, the font of the entire thing, the media type, and so on. So for the media type, is basically just going to show you what type of media is going to be seen in the mega menu. It's going to be featured products by default, but you can make it specific ones, which is a completely different tutorial. But you can just feel free to customize things from here. Now, if you want to change the entire color of the section, you are just going to do it from the header section, not the menu one. And you just want to basically scroll down. And speaking of in the header section, you can feel free to make it on the center or on the right side of your site. And also you can just feel free to change the row of it. But what I was talking about, if we scroll down, we should be able to find the colors option, and we can just change it with schemes. And this is going to obviously change the menu color as well. Now, the last thing that I need to note is that you can change even more stuff, more than the settings that are available through CSS code. So you can just look it up if you want something specific. We have done in the past where you can just change the color of one menu item. You're going to be able to find that in our channel as well. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.